Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the middle of the month. Okay, so this is a reading for your mid of August and we'll see what are the energies for you at this time. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's start for my Aries for the middle of the month, that is mid of August. What is there for my Aries? Let's see. Last shuffle, please. Alright, let's see. All right, so your current situation is the star over here. There is some kind of a hope, and the problem, why are you in this situation? The reason of this is the Six of Swords. So this might be because there is some kind of hope, because you want to go towards something which makes you more stable, which gives you more of a stability, and that is why you just want, and you want some kind of peace in your life, because a lot of chaos has already been happened in your life. That is why there is a hope, there is a consideration where you just want peace, you want some kind of soul searching, you want mental calmness. Okay, so inner peace, that is what you are wanting right now. So your what does your mind is telling you right now is the Ace of Wands. That is something, your mind is telling you to just might be this is some kind of a business where you want to start something new venture or something like that, because wherever you are right now is not bringing you that kind of a profit, so you are thinking to start investing in something else. So that is what your mind is telling you. The past energies were Seven of Cups over here. So this is a card where there were so many options in front of you in the past, and now you are like, okay, I have to decide something. You had you had to decide something. So that is what you were thinking before. And what is the main reason of the reading? This is the Hangman. The main reason is the stagnantness. Okay, so this is why you are not able to decide, because you are stagnant. You are just not moving, because it's a lot of time. You have already been thinking from a last, I guess, from a lot of time. You have taken a lot of time to think whatever situation you are in. So your future energy is Knight of Pentacles. I'm seeing you are still thinking about that particular thing, whatever you want to do. Sorry for that, it's the light. All right, so electricity is gone, and the Knight of Pentacles over here, I'm feeling that it is more about that you are just thinking, you are still going to think about it more. The King of Cups is here in your, what do you actually want to do? Where your mind is telling you something else, your actions are telling you something else, but what do you actually want? This is the King of Cups. You really want some kind of stability. You want to live a life where there is maturity, where there is stableness, where there is still a still you want to live a life again. So that is the kind of life you want. You want love as well, you want your family good, health wise, everything, prosperity. So who doesn't like that? So that is what you want. People around you, the sun. So there are people who are, the environment around you is actually supporting you. So I don't feel that there is any kind of problem in that. The Lovers over here is the universe giving you some kind of guidance or some kind of advice, I would say. So this is more of a advice where you have to make some choices over here. I don't feel like the love over here is involved, but I'm more seeing that you are involved into your career mode. Your career mode is on right now. So the lovers over here is telling me that you are more about making choices right now. That is what the universe is also telling you, that whatever choice you have to make it fast. And at the end, the outcome energy is the Fool over here. So the Fool is telling me that no matter how much time you would take, because this is your energy, the Fool, you want to start it fresh, you want to start it again. You really do not want to listen to anyone right now. You just want to do your things your way. So it's a lot of listening towards from the people. A lot of advice has been done. So now it's your time to take an action, and you have something else in your mind. All right, so let's clarify your energies now. Why is the Star over here? Let's see, I have already shuffled them. Why is the Star over here in their present energies? Why is the Star over here? So 10 of Wands is here. So there must be something, a hope to just get rid of this thing, a hope to get rid of all the problems, all the pressure. You just want to get rid of, and you want to move on in your life. You want to do something different. Whatever this is, you are in a zone where you you want to start fresh. Let's see, why is the reason 6 of Swords here? Why is the reason? So 5 of Wands. Okay, so there must be some kind of conflicts as well. So wherever you are, your mind, and you might be involved into some kind of meditation. You love doing these kind of things, and all of a sudden when you go to office, or when you involve with your person, the other partner, what happens? Conflicts start coming. There are like arguments and everything, and that makes you so heavy. That kind of heaviness, you are like, oh my god, what I am doing here, I really need to free myself. So that is your energy over here. You just want to free yourself, and you want to move on in your life. All right, so let's see what else do we have as the reason of the situation of yours. Why is the pressure over here on Aries? What kind of pressure, what kind of hope is this? What is the reason why the Aries is not able to do? See, King of Cups again. So here also you wanted this, and that is the reason as well. You want that everything should become the way you start seeing the things, and you really want to do some kind of you want to take some action, but you want to do it slowly. You are not like, I just want to do it just like that. You are like, you are thinking, because you are mature enough. You are not getting involved in every conflict, because whenever you involve in these kind of conflicts, it's like your mental peace is disturbing. Okay, so let's see what is in your mind. What is this Ace of Wands? Why is it here? See, 10 of Pentacles. This is what you want. This is what your mind is telling you. With Ace of Wands, you really want, might be some kind of a new relationship also over here. You want to start a new relationship. You want to get married. You want to, because it's like that. If I really want, for some of you, if you really want to invest in the new venture, if you want to change your job, that is what actually is showing you the 10 of Pentacles. It is showing you that, okay, so finally you will get the money, whatever you wanted, that kind of stability you wanted, because that is what you want. You want to become stable, you want to become mature, you want to become like, okay, I am going to take the decisions of my life now, but not in a bad way. You are more in an emotional, your heart is so much like, you are emotional. That is some kind of feelings, you are more attached towards the feelings of you and the other person, or your job. So that is what you want. You want money, but you want to get the money by getting into emotions. Like whatever you love, you want to do that. If you are in that kind of job where you have to do 9 to 5 shifts, no, that is not your liking. You are wanting to do some kind of a new business, but you wanted from a long time, and you had options as well before. So let's see what are these options. What is the 7 of Cups over here? Six of Pentacles over here. Okay, so this is a give and take. This is a making a balance between you and your heart and your mind. That is what you were doing in your past. There were a lot of options in front of you, but you were trying to analyzing everything, that I cannot just go towards anything, because being in Aries just love to enter into anything new, but you were thinking about it. See, Four of Swords is also here. A lot of thinking has been done regarding this matter, whatever you are dealing with. For those people who are in this kind of love relationship, where you want to go on with this person, but this person is actually burdening you. Whenever you talk to them, there are some kind of conflict starting again and again, so you don't want to be like that. Okay. Okay, so let's see what is the reason of the reading. See, the Hangman and the Temperance. So this is the reason is here because that is what you want balance, you want some kind of you are actually analyzing the things in a very different way. You are looking into the solutions. There are problems, I know, I hear you, but now what you are looking towards the solutions as well. You are thinking of different solutions in front of you. What can, if this thing doesn't go well, so what is the alternative for that? If it doesn't go well, then the second alternative. So you have different alternatives in front of you. You have different ways of doing your thing. That is what you are doing right now. Alright, so what is your future energies? Why is the Knight of Pentacles here in your future card? Ten of Swords, or sorry, Nine of Swords. Alright. Death and Page of Cups. Okay, so I'm seeing that the days of your just being silence are gone, because they are coming to an end. This Nine of Swords with the Death card, your days with silence are coming to an end, because you were not doing anything, but it is coming to an end now. You are going to take a step, because you will be slow again, because you will always think before doing anything. That is really good, but there is something new which is coming towards you, and you are going to accept this offer, because you have already analyzed, you have already researched in this particular thing. So now you will be like, okay, so I have done all the work which was needed. Now I'm going to proceed in this work, whatever it is. All right, so we have Two of Swords in your, what do you actually want to do? What else do we have? What else do we have other than Two of Swords and King of Cups? King of Swords. See, this is what you want. You want to become stable, but still you are confused, like whether to take the action from your heart or take the action from your mind. You are still balancing. I'm seeing your mind and your heart, because they are telling you two different things, and you are confused in that thing. So still you want, see, this is the first card which actually came. So you want that whatever you are in, whatever, because you are very emotional with either with this person or with this thing, whatever this is, you have a lot of love in the situation, but your mind is telling you not to go over there. No, you cannot do this. That is what your mind is telling you. Just let me switch on the light, just a second. Yeah. All right, so why is the Sun over here in the environment energy, people around Aries? Knight of Swords. What else do we have? What else do we have for Aries? Oh wow, Sun clarified by Sun. Might be dealing with a Leo over here, but if you are dealing with some kind of a love relationship over here, so they are coming towards you, and they're coming really fast, because they also think same way as you think about them. So you might not be in talking terms, but the thinking terms are very similar over here. So let's see what the universe, the lovers with the universe, Why is the Lovers over here? Six of Swords with the Ace of Pentacles. See, you want to go. The universe is telling you that if you really want to start something stable, go towards it and stop thinking that what will happen, because you are very confused right now. You are still thinking about it. You are confused, like what to do, like listen to my mind or listen to my heart. That kind of a confusion is coming up again and again in your life. But the universe is telling you that, with the Lovers, you can understand that what does the universe want. If your heart is telling you to do, just go for it. All right, so let's see why the Fool is over here in the final outcome. Two of Wands with the Three of Cups. So the Fool is with the final outcome, it's telling me that you are going towards something which will give you very very much of a satisfaction in your life. You are moving. You will just ignore all the things after some time, and you will just move towards. You might be even meeting your friends. You might be even consulting your friends, like having a coffee or a drink and talking to them on a phone call, or just like going to a cafe. And this is something, and they will also encourage you that you can do whatever you want to do in your life. You can do, because you have that ability in you. All right. With the Two of Wands, I'm seeing that you are going towards, because with the Ace of Wands in your mind and Two of Wands, like this was just the idea, but now you are going to take an action over here with the Two of Wands. Now the second step of the Wands is here. All right, so that's all, Aries, from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.